How long should I cook pork for? At 100 degrees Celsius. I have a pork shoulder cooking in the oven right now at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. I was planning on roasting it for 7 hours. Will this be long enough to cook it safely? I saw the FDA chart about minimum internal temperatures. See link 1. But am not sure how to translate that to oven temperature, time.
100 degrees Celsius for 7 hours sounds just about perfect. The meat will be meltingly tender by then. In fact, I think you could go even lower on the temperature if you like, say 80 degrees Celsius or 90 degrees Celsius. Of course, if you want to be absolutely sure, check with the thermometer, but unless you know that your oven is unreliable or you happen to be in possession of the largest pig shoulder in the world, I am 100% sure it will be more than done in 7 hours on 100 degrees Celsius. Good luck. 100 degrees Celsius seems a little low. I've done a bone-in pork shoulder at 120 for 8 hours before now. I think the norm is 2 hours a pound, 450 grams, at that temperature. To be safe, you should really use a meat thermometer. Trichinosis is not something you want to have.